Hi there, it's Sander Cohen from the DharmaShop, and one of the big questions that we get all the time is, how do you play a singing bowl? So I'm going to show you with a few of our bowls, singing bowls that originated in Tibet before the Chinese occupation, like this one, an antique bowl, can have a number of different tones depending on how you play them. You can play it with a mallet, and you get this beautiful deep tone. You can also sing the bowl by holding the stick just like this, so you can go around the outside of the bowl. And if you press harder, you get a little deeper tone. But when I press really lightly, you get this great harmonic tone out of it. So old bowls like this have all kinds of different tones. And different sticks might give you different tones. It does sometimes take a little practice. Not all bowls sing just as easily. I'm pressing a little harder now, and you can hear a deeper tone to this bowl. It's said that the bowls have the sound of Om, and you can really hear it in this bowl. It sounds just like monks chanting. So you can hear there's a couple different notes in this bowl. There's that really down low note, and then there's, if you just lightly play it, I'm not sure if I can get it with this stick. You can get a little bit higher harmonic note there. Now what's really important when playing a bowl is to get as little of your hand holding the bowl contacting the bowl. If I hold the bowl like this and put my hand around the whole bottom of the bowl, I'm not going to get as much tone from the bowl, as much sound from it. So I'm going to open my hand when I play it, so there's as little muffling happening as possible. So that is an older bowl, and here's a newer bowl, our cast bowls that are much less expensive, and this isn't hand hammered, this is a cast bowl. Still sing, and very often with a very pure tone. A bowl like this has one tone rather than many tones because it's just a brass bowl that's been painted with gold leaf, and it still has the ability to sing with a mallet or play with a stick. The small stick is the one that comes with it. So you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to get a singing bowl that'll sing really well to use in your practice. This is one of our DharmaShop bowls. You can hear the tone of this bowl is really low, even though this is only about a 6-inch bowl. And that's because this bowl is very light, and the walls of it are very thin. And we've made these bowls to have a really beautiful deep tone, even though they're a little bit smaller. And these are our masterpiece singing bowls that we have on dharmashop.com. They sound great if you're just gonging them for the end of a yoga class and savasana, or if you are using them for meditation, mindfulness practice, or just for the beauty of playing something that was handmade by a master craftsperson in Kathmandu, or the old ones probably made in Tibet before the Chinese invasion. So that's the how to play the singing bowl tutorial. As you can see, I'm balancing it on my hand here, so I'm touching as little as possible. If I were to hold this bowl like this, I couldn't sing it at all. So that's the first major mistake people make. It's usually easier to sing if you actually strike it first. And then once you strike it and get the sound going, it's really easy to get that tone. And every bowl has a different tone. It's got different harmonics. It has different resonances. There's some that you can play in any direction, just a short little stroke and it'll work. There's some bowls that don't work quite as well. And that's our singing bowl tutorial. You can see our singing bowl page. We've got videos of the artists making these bowls in Kathmandu, Nepal, hand hammering them out of just flat little pieces of bell metal. And these beautiful bowls make incredible gifts for anyone spiritual in your life, but they're something we've had around our home our whole lives. Our son plays them all the time, and we find them to be just a beautiful addition to any home. And knowing how to play them is a question we answer absolutely all the time. So we want to make this video for you and let you know exactly the best ways of doing it. It can also be just sitting, and you can just gong a bowl on a singing bowl pillow, or just on the ground during meditation or to end meditation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.